welcome back with me here at Dingaho, and this is my next content about interview with my friend. Hey, Mingus, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
I'm quite well. Okay, uh, speaking about interview, yeah, I want knows about your experience when you have your graduate from vocation high school. Can you tell about your experience?
After that, I continue higher
Mhm.
education.
Yes.
Uh, I wanna go working
Working where?
at Bali.
Oh yeah, at Bali. Yeah.
Yes,
What do you working? What working you in the Bali project?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. But when you have a graduate from your vocation high school, you not have a plan to continue your higher education. Ketika you tamat dari SMK, apakah tidak ada rencana untuk you want to continue your higher education? Tidak ada rencana untuk lanjutkan sekolah ke perguruan tinggi?
I have.
Oh, you have.
Yes, I have.
But why you continue but you won't going to Bali?
Because economic.
Oh, economic.
Yes.
Ya, ekonomi keluarga gitu.
Yes, keluarga.
Mm-hmm.
Family. Yes.
Apa? Terus, ekonomi keluarga itu
Kurang mendukung.
Yes.
Yes.
Jadi you have a plan going to Bali.
Yes.
Oh iya, bagus. Ya, ceritanya sebenarnya dia want to continue his higher education, but economic dari ekonomi keluarga itu tidak mendukung. Jadi teman saya akhirnya mau kerja ke Bali. So but when you work at Bali, apakah ada rencana? You have a plan to continue your higher education?
Yes, I have.
You have?
Yes.
What do you want continue your higher education? Di mana kamu ingin melanjutkan studimu?
At kampus IKIP Bulu Tomo.
At Malang City.
Yes.
Okay, wow. Yeah. What do you like major?
My major English department.
English department. Oh. What do you reason? Why you not choose as like major as like Indonesian language, biology, economic, mathematics, PGKR, and history? Mengapa you choose English department? Padahal banyak jurusan lain.
Yes, I choose English department because English very important in this world and very important in my life and every people.
Oh iya, Mbak. Alasannya dia memilih jurusan bahasa Inggris karena bahasa Inggris itu sangat penting dalam dunia dan juga dalam kehidupan, ya, dan juga sangat penting untuk bisa dijadikan sebagai pondasi ya untuk kita berkomunikasi with the from the countries, the people countries dari orang luar. Jadi itu alasanmu. This is your reason.
Yes.
You choose English department.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. What? How much your semester? How semester now? Sudah semester berapa?
5 semester.
Oh, 5 semester. Oh, good. How about your feeling when you study at Malang City, at IKIP Budi Utomo Malang? Bagaimana perasaanmu ketika belajar di kampus IKIP?
My feeling, I'm very happy and fun.
Oh, very happy.
Yes.
Oh iya. Good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, by the way, where you study?
I am study at IKIP Budi Utomo Malang campus. IKIP Budi Utomo.
What is your major?
My major.
Yes.
Yes, it's like you. Yes, as my major English department.
Department.
Yeah.
Okay. Why you choose English department?
Yeah, I choose English department because it's so very important. Yeah, because bahasa Inggris ini bukan hanya sebagai sarana untuk kita bisa communicate with other people countries ya, dari tourist ya, untuk bisa berbicara dengan orang luar, tetapi English department is English in international language ya, bahasa internasional juga. Jadi I choose English department, this is my reason, itu alasan saya.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live Ciliwung, street Ciliwung.
Chile.
Yeah, I live with my friend, and if you want going in my boarding house, yeah, maybe, yeah, from you.
Okay. How long have you been studying?
I study at Malang City 3 years ya, karena sekarang
3
saya
years.
sudah semester 7. Jadi tiga tahun dan 3 years more.
What did you study?
I study, yeah.
What did you study?
What did you study?
Yes, apa yang kamu belajar? Speaking.
I study everything. Ya,
Everything.
when the lectures giving the material, ya I study. Yeah. Saya belajar semua yang dosen kasih. Jadi it's not one when I choose English department. Oh, ini saja yang saya harus fokuskan, no.
Okay.
But I study everything when the lectures give the material about what is the topic. Yeah, I study everything.
Okay.
Okay, how about your feeling when you meet? Ya, bagaimana perasaanmu ketika kita bertemu? Karena kan kita sudah lama tak bertemu.
I'm very happy.
Happy, yes, it's me. Saya juga happy karena this is my first time. Ya. The second time when we have to graduate from vocational school, right? Ya, iya. Karena di sini kedua ya, pertemuan keduanya kita ya, sejak kita tamat kan, right? Ya. Okay. Speaking about your family, what work your family, your father, your job, pekerjaan orang tuamu?
My father and mother farmer.
Oh, farmer.
Yes.
Yeah, it's me, my father. But my father. Oh yeah, your parents much still in the world, masih ada.
Yes.
Oh yeah. My father much still now, but my mom passed away when I graduate. No, when I study at Vocation High School. Yeah, Vocation High School. And oh yeah, you want to know about my experience?
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Freddy, can you tell? Can you tell me experience when you finish continue graduate high school?
Okay. Yeah, I have a experience when I oh yeah, so before this my experience is so very long.
Yeah.
Nothing. cerita saya sebentar panjang, tidak apa-apa.
Yes,
Okay.
it's okay.
I have experience when I have a graduate from vocation high school Icendaha. I want to continue my higher education at Malang City, yeah. But the economic family ya tidak mendukung ya, bukan tidak mendukung, tidak mampulah. Kalau bilang tidak mendukung, ada materinya, ada ekonominya, tetapi ya bisa dikatakan bahwa orang tua atau keluarga tidak ingin kamu itu melanjut. Tapi kalau tidak mampu ya memang karena tidak ada. So I want to continue when I have a graduate from vocation high school. I want to continue my higher education at Malang City. And I say to my dad, I say to my dad, Dad, I want to continue my higher education at Malang City. But my dad say to me, tired soon. You look, Dad. Lihat sekarang in your room there is not, tidak ada di rumah. Karena ayah saya bilang seperti itu. I'm sorry ya. I not say to my mom ya, because my mom passed away when I study at grade vocation high school. And my dad say to me, you be patient, kamu harus bersabar, and always pray and grateful. Yes. My father say to me. And okay, yeah, if in this year I continue my higher education, I want to working. I want working.
Where?
I working in the Bali. Bali City.
What is your job?
Before I continue. I am going to Bali. My father say to me, you don't be
Drums.
Yes. And jangan pernah mengeluh.
Okay.
Yeah. You keep strong, keep spirit. Because when you don't spirit, when you don't strong, you not get your dream. My father say to me. Yeah. Okay. My father, ayah saya bilang, jika kamu tidak semangat, tidak kuat, maka mimpimu itu tidak akan tercapai. My father say to me. And then saya ingin ke Bali. Saya pergi ke Bali, dan after that, when I arrive at Bali, I working in the first I working in the garden place. Di kebun bunga. Di kebun bunga, garden flowers. Speaking about my salary, gaji. One month.
How much?
1,200. 1.200.000 per month.
Per month.
And then I working in the garden flowers maybe 4 months.
4 months.
4 months. And karena saat itu my friend say to me, friend, let's go to move from in this place. Temanku bilang, ayo kita pindah, kita cari kerja lain. Dia bilang, I ask my friend, what's work, kerja apa? Dia bilang, he say, we want work in the building. Because this is my first time to working in the building, you know. Pekerjaan di proyek kan pasti panas dan capek. So pada saat itu I ask my big boss. Saya tanyakan, boss, I'm so sorry before. Now we want to get a move from in this place, and we want working in other place. Kami ingin kerja ke tempat lain, karena Tujuan kami ke sini cari uang yang untuk simpanan, untuk continue with higher education. I said my big boss. And after that, setelah itu kami pergi kerja di apa? Di apa tadi? Di bangunan ya, apa namanya? Proyek. Proyek. This is my first time. Ya. Itu pertama kali saya kerja di proyek. Ya. Maybe I work 6 months.
6 months.
Iya, 6 months. And yeah, since maybe Augustus 2019, 2019, and I want to continue my higher education ya, because saya sudah simpan uang gitu. Jadi sekarang saya ingin melanjutkan studi saya. Oke, selama saya kerja di Bali, I never send money for my parents, for my family ya, tidak pernah kirim. And setelah itu saya ingin melanjutkan studi ya, because in this campus IKI Budi Utomo Malang, there are my brother to college ya, ada saudara saya kuliah. Bukan saudara kandung, tetapi dekat ya. I call. I call. Hey, brother, I want to continue my higher education in your campus. My brother say, oh, you want to continue? Yes. Okay, good. But where do you where do you stay now? He say, I stay at Bali. And then after that, my brother ask me, you can if you want to continue your higher education here, please you send your identification as like ijazah, fotokopi KTP, kartu keluarga, dan lain sebagainya yang berkaitan dengan identifikasi kan. So I send my identification to your brother. Yeah. And my brother register myself, and he asked me, what do you like major? He say, apa jurusan apa yang kamu suka? And I say, before I say, I want to take major computer, jaringan dan komputer. Jaringan dan komputer, TKJ, teknik jaringan dan komputer. But my brother say at Malang City is not their major about teknik jaringan dan komputer. But I ask, what the major else? Apa jurusan apa lagi? My brother say, here there are 8 major as like Indonesian literature, biology, mathematics, PJKR, sejarah, and English department, economy. And I choose English department. Saya pilih bahasa Inggris ya, karena because bahasa Inggris itu saya suka sejak when junior high school. Ketika saya SD, saya sudah suka memang bahasa Inggris. And saya mengambil jurusan bahasa Inggris sampai sekarang. But before, sebelumnya saya sangat gugup. I'm so nervous when I want to speak. When we meet the friends, they are so when they speak English, it's very good, it's very well. Ketika kita bertemu dengan teman kita, mereka bisa berbahasa Inggris. Lalu why not? Kenapa tidak bisa? I'm so nervous. Saya gugupnya di situ. Ketika saya bertemu dengan teman, and mereka itu berbicara bahasa Inggris, saya itu I'm jealous, you know. I'm so jealous.
Yes. Jealous.
I'm so jealous.
Yes.
Like, ya, ketika kita bertemu kan ingin kan seperti mereka toh. But in my heart say to me, kamu don't jealous ya, jangan cemburu. Tapi dalam hati saya berkata, in my heart to say, success ya, it's from yourself. Itu sukses itu dari dalam dirimu sendiri. It's not a people. It's not bukan dari orang lain, tetapi dari dirimu. Tapi tergantung kamu. Nah, dari situ saya punya niat untuk belajar. Karena tadi kan I'm jealous when
jealous.
Ketika saya lihat kamu lihat kamu speak English very well, very good, speak enjoy, but I'm jealous. I'm so jealous. Iya, saya sangat cemburu. Iya. And next, when I hear in the front of the class, ya ketika berdiri di depan kelas, itu I'm as like gini, apa namanya?
You're not
gemetar.
Confident.
Yeah, not confidence, tidak percaya diri. I'm not confident. I'm so nervous. Ya, ketika dosen when we presentation,
yes,
we just speak, right? Kita pastinya kan berbicara tuh. I'm not confident. Ya, saya tidak percaya diri. Lalu when I out from the class, ketika keluar dari kelas, I think I say to my heart, I say myself, why I'm jealous, why I'm confident. Mengapa saya cemburu melihat orang lain bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan baik? Mengapa saya tidak percaya diri? Nah, dari situ that's from dari situ saya punya keinginan untuk tetap semangat ya, dan I want to lose my nervous. Saya ingin menghilangkan when I feel nervous or confidence. Saya not confident, saya ingin menghilangkan itu ya. And setelah itu ya, karena sudah sering berbicara di depan teman ya, when we use Indonesia language kan, ketika kita berbicara bahasa Indonesia kan nggak gugup lagi tuh. Jadi mulai dari sekarang my nervous is lost, sudah hilang. Bagaimana? Okay, that's all from me about my experience. Anything else? Ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan?
Okay. What is your experience? Apa tadi?
Pengalamanmu?
Gimana? Ulang. Potong aja. Okay. Thank you, brother. Freddy. Your experience very good.
Thank you.
Very well. And bagaimana pesanmu untuk orang-orang di luar sana?
Buat generasi begitu.
Yes, generasi.
Okay. Untuk generasi, pesan saya untuk semua orang dan buat generasi penerus nanti, penerus bangsa, my message from me, don't comparing yourself to other people ya. Jangan sekali-sekali membandingkan hidup kita dengan orang lain, dan don't be afraid and don't forget to grateful
to God.
Ya, jangan pernah takut, and jangan lupa mensyukur ya. Don't forget to grateful, and because you are still alive in the world because of God ya, karena kamu ada saat ini itu karena Tuhan. Jadi pesan saya, jangan pernah takut, jangan pernah menyerah, tetap semangat, and believe, percayalah Tuhan, God be with you always. Thank you.
That's all.
Thank you, Mingus. Okay. Thank you for your time interview, and thank you so much for opportunities. Thank you, Mingos.
Okay, that's it's okay. You're welcome.
Okay, bye.